Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to authorize. Please try again on TikTok. So guys, if you want to log in your TikTok account with Facebook or Google or Instagram or Twitter and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings and click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that your iPhone is proper connected with strong internet connection. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after this if you want to log in your TikTok with Facebook account, then guys simply you need to open that app from you want to log in. So guys, for example, I want to log in my TikTok account with Facebook. So guys, first of all you need to open your Facebook app and click on your main profile, and guys after this scroll it down, click on settings and privacy, and guys here you can see the option of link history. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys firstly you need to clear all the history. So maybe this problem is occur when link history of Facebook has been limit exceeded. So guys simply you need to click on clear all, and guys after clearing this history, then guys you need to log in again your TikTok account with Facebook, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to update your TikTok app. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your app store in your iPhone or iPad, and guys here you need to search TikTok, and guys after searching you need to wait for results and click on TikTok, and guys here you will find the option of update like this. So guys here you can see simply you need to update your app from here, and guys after updating high chances to fix your problem. So guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after updating still not fix your problem, then guys simply you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad and click on general, and guys after this you need to click on iPhone storage, and guys you need to wait, and here you need to find TikTok, click on TikTok, and guys after this simply you need to click on offload app and click on offload, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store, and guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your TikTok account on iPhone. So guys after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem and having this issue again and again, then guys maybe it's a network problem of your iPhone. So guys you need to open your iPhone, click on general, scroll it down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings, and guys after reset network setting you need to open VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your iPhone or iPad, and after doing this you need to go back, click on date and time, and make sure that any kind your date and time is set automatically, and guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your TikTok account smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.